Today I'm going to show you how I upcycled these scarves into Evelyn's contest-winning rainbow dress.
Yay, Evelyn! Go team Evelyn!
And not just any dress, but one that will grow with her as she gets bigger. So many things went wrong on this project, I can't even believe how cute it turned out. Guess who won?
Let me guess.
Yes. I started out so excited to bring you a stylish, eco-chic summer dress that's easy to make, versatile, comfy, and made to last a lifetime. The perfect thing to help you kick the fast fashion habit. Seriously, so excited.
Let's go!
Although the dress is mostly straight lines, which are the easiest to sew, I could see several challenges. First, the scarves aren't all the colors of the rainbow like the drawing.
You want rainbow colors? I got all the colors you need. I'm so psychedelic.
And you clash with the other patterns. I wanted to use a transparent scarf with all the beautiful flowers, so I applicated front and center. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, it looks so colorful and fun. I am over the moon. This is going to be so adorable. My second challenge is that the design is strapless, but Miss Evelyn has no curves to hold things up. So we decided to add straps. That was an easy fix. And that's when I hit my first big stumbling block. My plan was to make the stripes line up by using half circles from the waist down. Then the half circle would go straight down the front and straight down the back, and we'd have a full skirt on either side. It was a great plan, but in fact, I needed scarves as long as twice that length to be able to do it, and I didn't have enough of them. So, I was very discouraged. That plan had to go. So I sacrificed the full skirt and made smaller side sections. It means the stripes will come in sideways on the back. But the good news is I get to ditch all the clashing scarves because I no longer need all of the fabric.
What? No, no. I'm too cool to go to the landfill.
And I thought I was home free after that fiasco. But the thing that really melted my brain was that I wanted her to be able to wear it for more than a few years, even though she won't be the same size or shape. The idea I got for making this bigger is from the 1950s and the way that suits were made. If you look in the back of the waistband, there's always these big triangles with extra fabric there. And it's because they expected the person to wear them for a lifetime, and that between the age of 20 and 60, that waistline would need to be let out. So I'm making take-ups in the back of the dress with 1 inch. So let's see, that's 1 inch on either side of each seam. So that's 2 inches on the seam, and then there's 2 seams, so that's 4 inches. The math was making my head hurt, so I switched to the fold-over technique where you fold the tape measure over to find out what half is. It was so much easier. What's going on here? Why is the back so much longer? Forget it. I don't have time for this. I'm just going to cut it even. Since I haven't figured out the diamond dart amount, I'm going to just have Evelyn try this on and then do that visually. Because let's see, I still need to hem it. And the zipper, I need to do the zipper because we won't be able to see how much has to come out of the waist if we can't close the side seam. Like, upcycling is really fun, but this is not the fun part. This is the horrible part where things go wrong. And the dress is a fail. It's not an easy dress, it's intermediate. I think it's important to take little sewing breaks every now and then, and my blood sugar is low, so here's my plan to fix that zipper. I was so sure that this was an epic fail that I didn't even turn the camera on when Evelyn came to try it on. I did not have to change a thing. Are you ready to see it?
Strawberry summertime, strawberry summertime, will you just last forever, forever? Strawberry summertime, strawberry summertime, strawberry
know, what a tremendous win. This is such a charming, adorable outfit, and I really would love to have my own version, so I'm excited to try that now that I've had a lot of learning. We're gonna have another contest really similar to this, so put a comment that says, "Count me in," below, and I will send you a link with all the information about the next contest, because your ideas are golden, and we want to get better and better at doing these.